On March 20th, Israel's military intercepted a missile fired from Yemen as tensions with Iran-backed Houthi militants escalated. Sirens were heard in multiple areas of Israel, including Tel Aviv and Jerusalem, following the launch. Fortunately, Israel's ambulance service reported no serious injuries. While the Houthis have not claimed responsibility for the strike, they remain undeterred by recent U.S. airstrikes and have promised to intensify their attacks, including those aimed at Israel, in retaliation for the U.S. actions.